Have you ever opened a CSV file in Excel and all the data showed up in one column like this? Well, instead of seeing separate columns like order ID, customer, product, category, sales, order date, and region, everything is smashed together in one column, which is column A. This is a very common issue, especially when you're working with downloaded reports, exported business data, or files from different systems. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix it using Excel, Notepad, and Python. So I'm going to show you first how to fix it in Excel. So in Excel, we're going to go to Text to Columns. So let's click on column A to highlight that column. Then go to your Data tab, and then click on Text to Column. In this window here, we're going to select Delimited and click Next. Now, we choose the correct delimiter. In this example, the file is separated by semicolons, so I'll select semicolon. Now you can see Excel previewing the data inside a separate column. So we see order ID, customer, product, category, sales, and order date, and so on. So now we can go ahead and click Finish. And just like that, our CSV is fixed. This is probably the fastest method if you only need to fix this file once. So I'm going to highlight this data by clicking on the top left corner of that upside down triangle, then double click the columns, and now it arranges the spaces between those columns. Looks fantastic. Now fix number 2, we're going to import the CSV properly in Excel. So this is another option to import the file. Instead of double clicking on it, we're going to go to Open a blank Excel, then go to your Data tab, then click on Get Data. Then from here, click on From Text CSV. Next, look for your file location. Once you open it up, it will give you a preview of your data. Now my data got separated automatically, but if yours did not, right here under Delimiter. Now, if you know your delimiter, which is the separation of your data, maybe it's a comma, semicolon, whatever it is, you select it from the delimiter. So I'm going to select mine as a semicolon. So click that. And then once the preview looks correct, you will click the load button. And now it loads your data into a table in Excel. This method is better because Excel lets you control how the file is read before loading it. Now fix number 3, we're going to check the file in Notepad. If you're not sure what separator your file is using, it's very easy to open it in Notepad. So click on your file, right click, open with, choose another app, click on Notepad just once, and it opens up here. So here you can see rather the values are separated by commas, semicolons, maybe tabs, or any other character. This helps you know which delimiter to choose in Excel when you're trying to fix it. My columns are separated by semicolons. Now fix number 4, we're going to use Python using Pandas library. Now let's fix this same issue with Python. First thing we do is we import our Pandas library. Then we run this code. I will add another couple cells. Then I create the data frame. So df equals pd.read underscore CSV, open parentheses, double quotation, and in this double quotation we want to name that CSV file. So here on my left side of the screen, you will see my CSV file name, because I opened up the folder in Visual Studio. So let's put that file name there. We're still inside the parentheses. So comma, and this is the key here, SEP equals, double quotation, semicolon. double quotation to close that, and that close parentheses. So I'm going to run this, and it ran successfully. It read my CSV file. So this is the key here. Like I said, the SEP, double quotation, semicolon. So this tells Pandas that the file is separated by semicolons. So now the data will load into separate columns correctly. So now we'll go ahead and view that data. So df.head, open close parentheses, and run that code. And here's a preview of the data. It shows you your first 5 rows. And each column name is now separated and inside their own columns. So now if you want to save the clean version as a normal comma separated CSV, we're going to use another code. And you will use this code, df.to_CSV, and open parentheses, double quotation, and here is our CSV name, which I'm going to name it order_fixed_CSV, and then make sure to put this .csv here, close the double quotations, comma, index equals false. So here on my left side, you don't see anything there, but once I hit run, you will now see my file name called order_fixed_CSV. So now you have a corrected CSV file that should open properly. So if I go back to my file location, and here I have the ordered fix, I double click that, you will now see my data with the column names inside their own columns. So if your CSV opens in one column, check the delimiter. The file may use commas, semicolons, tabs, pipes, but you can fix it using the Excel text to columns or Excel import from text/CSV. You can also open up Notepad and inspect your file. And lastly, you can put your data into Python using Pandas with the SEP parameter. So if this video helped you, save this video because this is one of those data problems you'll probably run into again. And if you're learning data analytics, make sure to hit that subscribe button because I post weekly videos on fun data analytic projects, tools, and tips. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next video.